are going to love the 2020 Ford Escape. Gas engines flex, tow, sip and go with Ford Escape. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, heated steering wheel, trip computer, electronic stability control, fog lights, heated front seats, rear window defroster, compass, power windows, remote keyless entry, overhead console, panic alarm. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.